That is somebody who I would expect would have both AI and business skills, right? Here's the thing, Neil, and for anybody else who's looking for these types of jobs, a forward deployed engineer, AI engineer, transformation, consulting, whatever. Here's the thing. Nobody, I shouldn't say nobody. A lot of people at the corporate levels don't know what they want to do with AI. They know they want to use it. That doesn't mean they know what they want to do with it. Two different things, right? Wanting to use it and knowing what to do with it are two different things. And that's where you come in. That's the value you're providing to them. That you can go in, you can sit down with them, you can talk about their business, you can talk about their operations, and you can say, here, you can use AI here, 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 and here, and here. And it's going to cost you, and if you choose this, it's going to cost this. If you choose this, it's going to cost this. And if you choose this, it's going to be a 3-year project versus a 2-year project versus a 3-month project, right? That's very, very hard to do, guys. You got to be like a pretty savvy business person to be able to do that. So Neil, is that the type of feedback they're giving you? Because I don't know you, I don't know what positions you're applying for, I have no idea what stage you are in your career, but it's a very difficult job. People think that because they can prompt, they can get one of these jobs, but I think it's actually pretty challenging. And I actually did a piece of content on it because one of these idiot influencers is out there saying, oh, you can get a forward deployed engineering job. It's really easy. There's a lot of jobs. That is a hard job. That is a super hard job. Anybody who tells you that's an easy job it just simply doesn't know what they're talking about. They're an idiot. They lack experience. They're not speaking from experience if somebody tells you that. So that's what I would tell you, Neil, but I don't know you, so give me more information. Yeah, okay. Neil says majority of the times resume is shortlisted because of the brand name that I work for, but then later stages, relevant experience, line. Yeah, Neil, you might just not be in a good career place to do it, right? Because you really need to be a savvy business person to be able to be, especially like you say, an AI transformation engineer. That is a massive job. That is a tough job, man. Like honestly, that's something that like I would go after. Like you need somebody with executive experience in that type of role. Like I might go after that because that's like where like a chief data scientist could do well, right? So I don't know if you're a chief data scientist, but you need a lot of experience for a role. Sarcastic says, my French teacher said to me that companies need someone to blame